Bitcoin already hit 100k, and for some people that's where the excitement ends. But if you think that's the finish line, I believe you're missing the bigger picture. In fact, I think 500k per Bitcoin isn't just impossible. It could happen much sooner than most expect. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why. Let's start with this. Crossing 100k wasn't the moonshot, it was the validation phase. That milestone unlocked a floodgate of credibility. Governments took it more seriously, institutions got off the sidelines. Now, for the first time ever, trillions of dollars can flow into Bitcoin through the ETFs, retirement accounts and corporate balance sheets without touching an exchange. BlackRock, Fidelity, Vanguard, these aren't retail speculators, these are capital allocators, and they now have full infrastructure to funnel money into Bitcoin and scale. Let's say they allocate just 1% of their total assets. That alone could push Bitcoin to 500k. And some analysts are already modeling this out. But price doesn't move on hype, it moves on supply and demand. And here is where it gets wild. Last year we had another halving. Block rewards are lower, miners are selling less, long-term holders are locking up their coins. The amount of Bitcoin available for sale is shrinking, fast. But demand, it's growing, globally. From Nigeria to Argentina to Turkey. Bitcoin isn't just a speculative asset. It's a shield against inflation, a way to escape the currency collapse, a tool for financial survival. And even in the US and Europe, people are waking up to the fact that fiat currencies are bleeding value every year. You don't need a crash for Bitcoin to go up. You just need time. Because fiat is already quietly failing. And here's the part nobody really talks about. If Bitcoin hits 500k, the total market cap is just over $10 trillion. That sounds huge, but gold is already at 20 plus trillion, and Bitcoin is easier to store, send, verify and audit. It's programmable, borderless and scarce. If it even captured half of gold market cap, we are already well above 500k. But here's the mistake most people make. They think these moves happen slowly. They don't. Bitcoin is not linear, it's explosive. In 2020 it jumped 10x in 12 months, from 10k to nearly 70k. Now we are past 100k and it could move fast again. Not because of the hype, but because of the structural pressure. Too much demand, not enough supply, and no one wants to sell. So what am I doing? Personally, I'm not trying to guess exactly the top. I'm not trading every dip. I'm focusing on positioning. I'm stacking. I'm managing. And I'm preparing for volatility, both up and down. Because if we do see Bitcoin hit 500k, I would rather have been a little early than 100% late. And no, this isn't financial advice. Just how I see it based on the data, history and the macro environment we are in right now. You do you, but zoom out. The real move might not be over. It might just be warming up. If this video helped you see 500k possibility differently, hit like and subscribe. I post daily content on Bitcoin, macro trends and long-term thinking. Let me know in the comments what price would make you take profit or would you never sell.